Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about height and width in CSS. So the CSS height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element. So for a particular element you can adjust the height and width with the help of these two properties. So the CSS MaxWidth property is used to set the maximum width of an element. So you can provide the MaxWidth property and a value to this property to have the maximum width that will be accessible to that particular element. In similar ways, you can have CSS MaxHeight property that is used to set the maximum width of an element. So let's see in our code how we can make use of this height and width properties. So this is my height width.html file. So inside this HTML file I have one heading tag. I have also used one image tag, and lastly I have used the paragraph tag. So let's see how the code or the web page will look like by using these three tags. So this is currently how the web page looks like. Here you have one heading tag, one image tag, and the paragraph tag. So what you can do with the help of this, you need to adjust, let's say you want to adjust the height and width for this paragraph tag. So how you can do this? Inside the CSS file you can specify the name of element, which is paragraph, and here you can say, let's say you want height to be 100 pixel and width also 100 pixel. So let's see how it will look like. So before refreshing the browser, you should know that you need to link this CSS file to the HTML file. So you will use the link tag, link, and inside the href you need to provide the name of CSS file, which is height width dot CSS. So if I save this both file and refresh the page, so you will see paragraph is currently looking in this way. So I have adjusted the height and width, so you can see here. So the height is now 100 pixel, so it will be having this height of 100 pixel and width of 100 pixel. If I try to increase the width here, let's say random value 800 pixel, so it will increase the width to 800 pixel. So if I refresh the page, see now width is increased to 800 pixel. If I reduce it to 500 pixel, so see it will be having width of 100 pixel and height will be of 100 pixel. So in similar ways you can apply it to the image. So let's say image, and inside the image you can say height, let's say 50 pixel, and then we can specify width, let's say 150 pixel. So currently this is the original image and it looks like this. If I provide the height and width, let's see how it looks on web page. So see, here we have only provided 50 pixel height and width of 150 pixel. So let's try to increase height here, let's say 500 pixel, and width increase it to 250 pixel. So see, in this way the image is looking now. Height is of 500 pixel. Let's remove height to 300 pixel and this to 500 pixel. So see, in this way the image is looking now. And the another properties that we want to learn is max width and max height. Let's say here I provided max width. What was the name of property? The property name is max width. So here you need to provide semicolon if you are trying to have the multiple properties. So max width, let's say max width allowed is 400 pixel and you have provided the width as 500 pixel. So what it will do, it will take the 400 pixel only, not 500 pixel. So currently here the 500 pixel is the width. If I refresh the page, it will get reduced to 100 pixel. See, the image's width is reduced to 400 pixel because the max width available here is 400 pixel. You can provide the minimum value here. Let's say I provided here 300. So it will take 300 pixel because max width available is 400 pixel. So it will take the 300 value here. Now if I refresh the page, it will reduce the width again, see. But if you try to increase the value of width, above 400 pixel, let's say 600, so it will only take the max width value, it will not take the value of width. If you see here, it's taking only 400, not 600. In similar ways, you can have the value for height, let's say max height, say max, you need to provide a semicolon, max height, let's say max height allowed is 300 pixel. So you have provided here 300, so it will take it the 300. But if you try to provide here 400 pixel, so it will take 300 pixel only. So if I refresh the page, see there is no difference. But if you try to provide here 200, so it will take it, because max height available is 300 pixel and you are providing 200 pixels. So it will reduce by 100 pixel now. See, height is reduced to 100 pixel. So that is the use of height and width properties. You can adjust them as per your requirement on your web page. So that's it for the height and width. We will see another topics of CSS in next video. Thank you for watching.